we have an example on differentiation. For example, we have y is equal to 2x plus 6 bracket cubic. So we say solution. Here we write our function, which is y is equal to, open the bracket, to x plus 6 exponent 3. So we are told to find dy dx, the first derivative. The first derivative of y with respect to x. So since we have y is equal to 2x plus 6 cubic, we let u be equal to 2x plus 6. Then we differentiate. We find the derivative of u with respect to x. So we will say that if u is equal to 2x plus 6, then du dx, derivative of u with respect to x, will be equal to 2 times 1, which is the exponent of x. Then that exponent, which is 1, must drop by 1. Then we plus. So this 6, it is equal to 6x exponent 0, because any number or any letter with exponent 0 is always equal to 1. That's why here it is written 6x exponent 0. When we use the general formula of differentiation, we will see that this 0 will be dropped up to here, then we multiply by 6, and then this 0 as an exponent will be reduced by 1. So by that case, we will get the value of this term to be 0. Therefore, when you differentiate the number, a constant number, then we say the answer is 0. So for that case, when we differentiate 6, we get 0. So here we remain with du dx is equal to 2. Here we find x exponent 0, because 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we will get du dx is equal to 2 times 1. 2 times 1, which is 2, because any number or letter exponent 0 with exponent 0 is 1. So after getting this one, now we can go direct to our equation here. Then because we saw that we rate the value which was inside the bracket to be u, then another question or another equation will be y is equal to u exponent 3. This is another equation, y exponent 3. The first one was u is equal to 2x plus 6, because we read the value which was inside the brackets. So here we have to find the derivative of y with respect to u. So this one will be dy du by using the general formula of differentiation. This 3, which is the exponent, will be dropped up to this part. We'll get 3 times u. Then this exponent must be reduced by 1. So this is 3 minus 1. So we will get 3u exponent 2. Then we are told to find dy dx. We are told to find the derivative of y with respect to x. So in order to get dy dx, then we have to use this one and this one. So when you take this one times this, it means that du and du will be cancelled out. Then we will get dy dx. So we say dy dx, derivative of y with respect to x, is equal to take du over dx times du dx times dy du. So we know that we have du dx, but also we have dy dx. So when you multiply this one will be cancelled out, and this one. So you will find that the remaining one will be equal to this one. But here, for our case, we don't want to cancel this one because they are the same. So instead of doing that, we will take the value that we got when we differentiated u with respect to x. So we will take this value, then we times with the value of dy du. So this one will be in this form. We will say dy dx is equal to du dx. Du dx we got du dx, the value was 2. So we will take it 2 times dy dx, derivative y with respect to u. So the value of this one was 3u squared. So it was 3u squared. Then, so this one is equal to 6u squared. But what is u? U, we let u is equal to 2x plus 6. So we can substitute this one where there is u. So we will get dy dx is equal to 6 times u. U is 2x plus 6 then squared. So the answer here will be dy dx is equal to 2x plus 6 squared. So this is our first derivative. The derivative of y with respect to x is equal to 6 times 2x plus 6, open the bracket, close the bracket, squared. So this is our answer. Thank you very much.